And I be riding rails with my ties in the thinner. Airport stun, flying charters. Get till that motherfucker gone. And you gon' get him dressed.
So tonight I'll just fuck, but I do it to her.
Rigged up, rigged out, no.
I bet you wish that I was still right there. Used to live right there. Now I'm everywhere. Got bitches everywhere. I'm so debonair. I'm a millionaire. I act like I don't care. That's cause I don't care. Still right there. Used to live right there.
Okay, so I woke up, hit the gym first thing, then from there, had some breakfast, showered, got ready for the day, and now there's a lot of management stuff going on today, so unfortunately our Google ad account got disabled. I don't understand why these platforms love taking down accounts when you're spending money on them, like it makes no sense. But yeah, we have to fix that. So fortunately Facebook has been fine, which is weird because usually Facebook's the one that's annoying, but I don't want to jinx it. It's been going for 2-3 months, so that's pretty cool. And then yeah, we have to check on the purchase order because although we did fulfill like 70% of the dope brick orders, which it was a good amount, we still missing like 30%, which came in after we put on the website that orders would take 2 to 4 weeks, but we don't want to get to that point. We want to get them done within 5 to 10 days. So we have to make sure we check on the order, make sure things are running smoothly before we go ahead and take them to the dye house. And then from there to the screen print house, it's a whole process, but we have to make sure we check on that. And then yeah, it's a bunch of management stuff today. Ads, ad creatives, preparing some new designs for Q4. And around 4, we have to go to one of our factories to check on the tote bags because we have to drop that and it's taking way too long. So yeah, we have to drop that because summer's basically over and the tote bags are still like not done, which is incredible. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Just a bunch of management stuff. Probably edit this video that you're watching right now, and I think that's the vast for today. Alright, so we just pulled up to where we do like a lot of custom stuff. So here we do our tote bags and tags and all that stuff. So we're gonna check on the tote bags. Hopefully they're done, and it's been a minute. Let's see.
That doesn't work. Hello.
Is it recording? Yeah. Do you have AirPods on you right now? Yeah, but I love the pocket. You like the leather detail? The AirPods? It's crazy.
I don't think AirPods are gonna fit in this, to be honest.
Hell yeah, we're stretching.
I thought it was gonna be like an actual like no holes pocket.
I kind of like this. Alright, so here's the first official sample. It's missing the buttons, but it's gonna have like this little AirPods thing, because when you're in the airport, you know, having to pull it out of like your pocket and stuff is not convenient. So just carrying your AirPods here, super clutch. That's crazy. Like this area's more clumped up than this one.
Yeah, something's missing.
Okay, well, so I guess it's not perfect yet. And then this side, perfect. So it's missing the buttons.
It definitely does give it a more tactical look.
I love that. This is the AirPods pocket. Oh yeah, nah. This has to get fixed because it's not enough. Should have brought AirPods. Do you have them in the car? No. What about your little metallic? Actually. So yeah, we're here. We're doing the tote bags. We want to drop that like within the next week for sure, because summer's ending and it's like a summer product. So we have to get that out of the way so we can move forward to the airline hoodie production, which is turn around, show him the back. That one that he's wearing right there. Super excited for that one. That's personally my favorite design. And then yeah, just a bunch of like fall stuff. So let's see where that takes us. This is like a lipstick. So apparently you could put like anything that's like slightly thick enough for it to like hold it. Only thing we gotta do is move this a little left, like so it's like perfectly centered between these two. Because right now it's like not fully centered. So we just gotta like twist it a little bit and move it here. Camera's fucking ridiculous, bro. So he just went up and fixed up this one, and this is like perfect. This is what we meant by like no overlap. Ciao, gracias. Nos vemos.
Ciao, buen día.
Can't believe we're out here recording movies and. So a lot of brands have been ripping our stuff, so we just have to send a ton of cease and desist, like 40. The fact that our brand is getting ripped, it's like obviously very annoying. We don't condone it or support it or feel like it's like something that should be happening, but also like when you compare the facts, like the brands that this happens to, and you think about like, you know, it's like if they're ripping it, it's clearly because they see a product that sells and they see, you know, a business opportunity there. So pretty happy today with the way the tote bags look. I love the pocket for the AirPods. I'm sure you guys are gonna like it too. And yeah, so probably gonna work for a bit, hit ping pong in the rooftop. Been playing ping pong every day and I feel myself getting better. And also get some sun middle of the day, like around 4 p.m. I go up there and just catch a little vibe, get some sun. Look at this. So goofy.
Invite me to her home when she all alone. Notice how you all time. We were too close to the stars. Whatever's broken. You're so art deco out on the floor.
I know like 50K on a vacation. For all the mama need reservations for 20. I've never really